Hey, fellas and everybody, welcome to another episode of Silver Palsy Gamer. We are continuing the rebuild of the Pittsburgh Steelers, and we are in the playoffs. We are the 6th seed. We are going to play the Kansas City Chiefs in the wild card playoffs. Let's get the W, shall we? Let's get the W. We are playing in the snow, so we get the ball first. We're gonna try to run the ball because it's snowing, and I think we have the best running back in the league. And let's see if we can get the running game going. No, he flipped, and we are 8 yards shy. Alright, here we go. And he is not there. 1 yard shy of the first down. We need to get this. I hope I get this. Oh, come on! What is going on? Yep, they scored. And Justin dropped the ball. Oh my God. Justin just dropped the ball. I can't believe that he just dropped the wide open ball. Wide open ball. Come on, that is, oh wow, not again. Oh boy, you gotta be kidding me right now. We get the first, we needed that first. We needed it bad. We needed that first down bad. And so he's putting. Wow, okay, whatever. There we go, Zimmer. Come on, Zimmer. End of the first quarter. We are down by a touchdown. It's 3rd and 6 coming up. Little combination round here. Are they really not giving me that? Alright, come on. Oh, finally we got. It's a gutsy call. Let's run it with Harris. 5-yard gain. Let's do the inside run. Broken tackle by Najee Harris. I love seeing that by Harris. We got the first down with Najee Harris. We need to score. We're in. Oh, we're getting. Oh boy! All right, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. First down, baby. We just need to touch that. We need to get a stop. Ouch. 5-yard gain on that. He really could not get that. He really could not hold on to that game. We got the first. 2-minute warning. First thing go, we're like 1 yard away from touchdown. We tie it up with 1 minute and 50. Can we get who we got a stop? That was a huge stop right there on defense. Harris is rolling now. A 25-yard run by Najee Harris. That's great. Another run by Harris. Another 4 yards. Ooh, it's not one of our players. I can tell you that much. Alright, here we go. 3rd and 2 coming up. Dig out by 2 guys. First down by Pat Fry moves. I love Pat Fry moves. Let's run the ball. Shall we? Najee Harris. Nice run by Najee Harris. Inside of 4 minutes to go here. The dig route is open all the time. The dig route is open. Let's do an inside run with Najee Harris. We only need 4 yards to get the first 10. Okay, the guy did not block at all. They got nice. What the hell is going on with that? I don't get that part.
When you see zone defense, you know you got a drag route out as your primary call. You got to be really careful as a passer about how far you let your guy go because it might walk into some tough coverage. And it's able to take this one up to the 35-yard line. 6 yards to pick up, and that's a first down.
Oh boy.
1 quarter remains for the right to survive round 1. We're back now in KC. It's been a very hotly contested game to this point. Just a
First and 10, we need
as we get set for the 4th quarter. They'll keep it on the ground. Harris again. And down he goes at the 45 after a pick.
45, second and 1.
Good yardage there on first down.
Second and 1 coming right up. Let's take the time.
Keep the clock running. If they're smart, you're starting to milk the clock. No more before you run your second down play. And he'll be brought down at
Let's find the holes. And
that first down pickup of 8.
let's run the ball. Let's take the.
Little run. Here's Harris. Down to about
Oh, here we go.
Here's a 2nd and 8. And they'll switch it up here. Look to throw. Short little forward. And he'll be brought down.
Okay, here we go.
Tackles made at the Chiefs 33. They give him 13 yards there on the play and a fresh set of downs. Clock running under 4 to play now as they come up on 1st and 10. They'll give to Harris. Pushing through the contact. Taken down at the 30. Here's 2nd and 7. Back to throw. Zimmer.
Oh my God, Zimmer, come on. I'm just not cool, man.
On 3rd down, Zimmer. Short little forward. Well, I don't think he got there. No. He's short by maybe a foot, maybe. Call it 4th and inches. I thought they might take a shot down the field, but instead they ran a little drag route there.
4th and.
And run away from the defender. A really good job keeping the play in front of them, and they force a fourth down. And he is going to have the Steelers' first down. No problem there. They get the first by plenty on 4th and inches.
Oh man, I just want to take the time out. Oh boy.
Here's Harris. And that lines up a decent run, and it also takes us to the 2-minute warning. And here's another carry for Harris. And the stop will come inside the 5 at the 4. Brandon, you know that expression? He just does what he does. It sounds trite, doesn't it? But in this case, it's perfectly apt. This one of the better runners in the NFL. And all he does is just find avenues, find ways to pick up.
I just want to take the time off the clock. As much as I can, I want to take the much as time. I'm 1st and goal. So.
Maybe going to get this back to the 4, but that's about all. That time they're able to bottle him up, but he's having a really nice game. I agree with that. Let's just go big picture, right? Every back that's
Let's just keep running the clock down.
Now Harris. And just a short gain that time as they're able to get him down. I'm a little surprised right here. They got 3 timeouts left. The clock's running down, and they are using them. Those timeouts do you no good at home. Use them now.
Whew. Right at third and goal, we need to get something here. I'm gonna click on it at 10 seconds. And we make it in with only 10 seconds left on the clock. Woo! We get a victory. Boys, that was a hard victory. But we come out with a victory. hard victories. Whew. We're off to the next round of the play. Ooh, who got injured? Terrence Marshall, he's out for 2 weeks, okay? That's okay with me. He's hurt, and he's out. 1 week, 7 weeks, yeah, you're gonna go on it. You have to go on it. IR. Place on IR, and they're gonna be back. So, we are gonna advance to the next week, and we are in the divisional week. And we are playing the 14-3. Wow. Okay. And these are the playoff rivals. Alright. Beat the Ravens and advance to the next round for the playoff. Okay, we can do that. We can definitely do that in the divisional round. I want to see my... Any guys get upgraded here? The O-line is great. I love the O-line. That Fred Moose is awesome. We got Justin Jefferson. We got the 93 George Pickens. The offense is great. The offense looks good. But this defense could use a little work. But it's serviceable. Serviceable. I just do not like my right hand. That could be a problem. But all we have to do is score, and score. Let's take down the Baltimore Ravens. Baltimore Ravens do have Lamar Jackson. Can we take out? Let's take it out. We always start with the run. We got Najee Harris. Thank you. And they were ready for that. So.
But Charles, you think about their impressive record, and you look on the screen and see some of these injuries.
You only got 2 yards on that one. Dig around to George Pickens. George Pickens with. Let's see what happens here. Dig route by Pickens again. So, what? Why are you going backward? Oh, did they give me the first? Yeah, they better give me that first down. He was getting hit backwards. Najee Harris is running straight ahead. Here we go. You can't stop Najee Harris. Najee Harris is a Pro Bowl running back. Alright, here we go. Najee. Let's get it going again. And, yep, only a 1 yard gain by Najee Harris this time. But let's all work with what we have here. Here we go. Here we go. 3 and 4. A big route by Pat Fryman. Here we go. Pat Fryman. Nice catch for a nice gain of 15 yards. Get out of the way, and Najee Harris is in for the touchdown. We get another stop, and we are going to go up. If we can score again, we can make it a double. Did we get it back? Wow, that could have been bad. That could have been bad. Najee Harris is running the ball pretty well. Pretty well today by Najee Harris. There we go. A 4-yard gain. Decent game. Decent. We got 4 yards on that. And another 5 on that. Let's try to hit the third receiver lead. No, Leonard? Who is the Leonard guy? Alright, let's see if we can get the zig route with Leonard. Yep, Leonard with the nice grab. Chad Zimmer is 5 for 5 for 73 yards with no touchdown, so up the middle for about another 2-yard gain. Big route by Pickens. Wide open, wide open. Ooh, press cover Jefferson, come on. Oh, this is a big game. Justin Jefferson. It is Justin Jefferson with the big game. And they are blitzing me now. Oh boy. Okay. So if I can get the dig route or the slant route by Jefferson, that'd be great. But Pat Fryman, 3rd and goal. 3rd and goal. We can get the first down without getting the touchdown. But we got the touchdown anyway. We are up 2 scores, and they score, and they are on the board with 7 points. We are in the 2nd quarter, and there's only a minute and 18 seconds left. I got all my timeouts here. I'm gonna take a timeout here. You got 3 yards on that. Alright, good. They're not playing prep coverage here. Good God, we are getting lucky with these fumbles. We are getting lucky with the fumble, man. I swear to God, we are fumbling the ball like left and right. Behind the ball. George Pickens with a nice grab and another timeout. We have 21 seconds left.
Now the Steelers use the second of their 3 timeouts as the clock will stop with 21 seconds to go here in the first half. Back in the end zone, can he get his feet down? No, it's incomplete. Illegal touching.
Are you kidding me? Really? And I'm just gonna go for it.
Came back in first to touch it, and they got him for a
Field goal.
Yeah, and you know it doesn't matter either, Brandon. Catch it, don't catch it. If you're the first to touch it, that's gonna draw a flag. Nothing on first down.
I want to go for the field goal.
Second and goal. Now the Steelers going to use their third and final timeout. And with halftime on the horizon, they'll be out of timeouts from here forward. Now a field goal forthcoming for the Steelers. From the left half, should be a fairly easy one here.
There we go. Let's just go up by 10 points. It's huge if we go up by 2 scores. And we're up by 2 scores. It looks like they could not get anything, so we get the ball back. Najee Harris is up, getting a 5-yard gain on that. We are just gonna. Again, we could not do anything. Let's go with the zigzag route if that's open. They're press covering Jefferson. Come on. And Justin Jefferson gets the ball. Deep. Man, Justin Jefferson with the nice deep catch. Wide open, and we could not hold on to the blocks. What's up with that line? Come on. Hold on to the block a little bit more. Here we go. And we are in for a touchdown. We are blowing the Baltimore Ravens out of the water. And they punt the ball back to us again. Alright, here we go. Oh man, why did they press covering Jefferson? Yeah, they're double teaming Jefferson now. Justin Jefferson is getting double teamed. Wide open. Justin Jefferson, wide open, Justin. We're running the ball, man. Look at that. We are. Get out of my way, man. Second and 5 in the third quarter. We're up big time. I don't know why we cannot hit that hole.
Where'd all that running room that he had in the first half go? Because it looks like it's drying up a little bit here. Someone made some adjustments, it appears, at least on this drive.
We are.
One quarter remains for the right to advance to the AFC title game. You're watching the NFL on EA Sports. Back now in Baltimore. On third and short, they'll try and pick it up through the air.
Pat Furry moves it wide open.
And he's going to be taken down with the first down at the Ravens 16. That one good for
And we're going to run the ball with Najee Harris again.
ball down to the 16 here for first and 10. Harris.
And another run by Najee Harris. Another touchdown. They finally get it. Yeah, there's no way they're going to catch up. So, we won by a lot of points. So, we're one game away from the Super Bowl. So, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Here we go. We are off to the conference. I don't know who we're playing, but we got something. Rebel. TJ Watt. Your defense will have 5 hits out next. Ooh, okay. And the staff got a lot of extra points. So we are investing to the next round. We are playing the 8 and 9 Jets. This should be an easy victory for us. I hope. I hope this is an easy victory for us. I don't know how they made it to the championship game. 87 overall, and we're 88 overall. One game away from the Super Bowl, and we are playing the New York Jets. It looks like we are getting the ball first. And you know what I'm doing? I'm gonna try to get the run game started right now. There we go. I got a 4-yard gain here. Gain of 4 yards. And then we get another big run here. That was a gain of 18 yards on that run. We're just gonna. We got Marshall back, so that's a. Pickens, why are you going backwards? Jesus Christ. Why are you going backwards? Jesus Christ. Alright, here we go. Third and inches, and let's give it to Marshall. Marshall back, and he got a catch. We are rolling, and let's just run the ball. Another first down by Harris, and another nice running by Harris. We switch it to the other side. another nice run by Harris for a 9-yard gain. Only 1 inch away from first down. So let's get. And the offensive line is just killing. 5 rushes, 52 yards. Here we go. Let's just run Harris until they can stop him. Ooh, okay. Only a 2-yard gain by Harris. We are loaded on offense right now. Wow, okay, here we go. End of the first quarter, I think? Is it?
Steeler football here to begin quarter number 2. It's first and goal.
First and goal, we need to. Touchdown, Harris. Too easy. Too easy. That was too easy. And they scored 3 points. They get a field goal. How nice. We keep getting. Wow. Wow, nice it. Nice it, Harris. Way to go, buddy. Wide open. Justin Jefferson. Wide open, Justin Jefferson. These Jets cannot stop Justin Jefferson. JJ, come on, JJ, you gotta get better. Najee Harris, you gotta get better, man. We're relying on you. I love running the dig routes. 3rd and 1. I love dig routes, guys. I love the dig routes. Right up the middle with Harris and a nice gain. 11-yard gain and a 2-minute warning. 11-yard run, and we're gonna try to run the ball again. Is that in? We are 1 inch away from the end zone. And right up the middle, and another touchdown for Najee Harris. Wow, okay. Press covers. Oh, man. I wanted it deep throw here. I wanted the deep. Yep, they're not gonna allow it. They're not gonna allow it. Oh man.
Now the Steelers use the first of their 3 timeouts as the clock will stop with 33 seconds to go in the first.
33 seconds to go. Can't get into.
On first and 10, Zimmer buying time to his left.
Where's the pass interference?
As quarterbacks like to do, he pushed it downfield on that throw. But I think that since he's outside the pocket and there's open space, it would have been a good time for his first carry of the game.
They're not even giving me any passive training.
He'll try again with the arm here on second down. He's got this to Jefferson. Big play there just before.
Ooh, we got one more timeout left.
The Steelers signal for the second of their timeouts. So that means they're down to one remaining here as we head toward halftime. Throwing on first down. Zimmer being chased out left. And that is, I think he caught it. He did, but they say out of bounds. It'll be incomplete.
Are you serious? Can we challenge? Can I challenge? Why can't it not challenge that play?
Not challenging coverage downfield, but on this play, I thought he made an excellent decision to actually do so. If that had been complete, that would have been one for the highlight reel.
Why can't I challenge that play?
Again, he'll drop the throw. Steps away.
Okay. Alright. We're up by 17. We're up by 7. Alright, we get a stop. And we get the ball back. And if we can score here, it'd be out of reach. Yeah, okay.
3 yards, second down coming up.
Yeah, I don't know if it's exactly a win-win, but if you're on offense, you'll take that kind of a run, all right? And it's kind of stacked up, found a little bit of yardage, and frankly, they're pretty close to staying on schedule on offense. The playbook is still open for the coordinator.
Najee Harris with another good catch.
Good work after the catch. Gets it.
Let's just run the ball again and just.
Harris running straight ahead.
Ooh, okay, they were ready for that.
For gain of just a yard.
Only a 1 yard gain run by.
We know this is a turning point of attack, especially against the big body guys in the middle of this day. It's got to be priority one.
Another first down by George Pickens. The Jets have no answer for my offense. Well, where did that guy come from? Where did that guy come from? I mean, god dang, he was in there fast. Yep, not a good idea. That was not a good idea. Not a good idea. Come on. Is that a catch? A nice catch by Justin Jefferson. Touchdown, Harris. Touchdown, Harris. It looks like the Steelers are going to the Super Bowl. That's 5 yard gain. A little counter action here, I hope. Give me some yards on that. We got the yards. 126 yards on the ground. Man. Nice running by Harris. Way to go, Harris. Nice running, my man.
This is Harris. Give him about 5 as he gets this up to the 48-yard line.
If you're a coach, you'll absolutely take that run every
will take that run every single time, man. Get another extra yards there. And we're in the fourth quarter.
1 quarter remains until we crown the AFC champion. Back now here at MetLife Stadium. It's Steeler football, and they have the lead as well as we begin quarter number 4. From the gun on 3rd down.
First down. First down, baby. We are rolling. We are rolling. What a nice stiff arm by us. Yeah, we're just gonna run the ball. And we only get another 2 yards on that, so. And everybody's going deep. And that's pass for our moves.
And that's going to be another first down as the tackle made at the Jets' 26. That one good for 14 yards and a Steeler first.
Double crossers.
On first down, Zimmer dancing to his left.
Oh, wide open, and he could not make it. I could not make the throw.
And their backs up against the wall a little bit, and they come through by forcing an incompletion.
The throw was there, but I threw it a little too late.
To throw again, Zimmer steps away to his left.
And he makes the throw that time, and it's a touchdown. Oh, wow. Let's just get to the end of the game because we already won. And we are in the Super Bowl. Guys, we're in the Super Bowl. Ooh, we get upgrades. We're in the Super Bowl, baby. Advance to Super Bowl. And who are we playing in the Super Bowl? We are going to play the Atlanta Falcons in the Super Bowl. Wow. Alright guys, the next game is going to be the season-ending episode for the Pittsburgh Steelers. So if you want to join me for the next game, that'll be in the next video. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section. And if you just want to support me, just push that little red button. That would help me a lot if you support the channel. It only takes 2 seconds to push that button. And yeah guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I enjoyed making these for you like I always say. And like I always end all my videos and live streaming by saying, stay safe, stay positive, and always go Pack Go. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, you guys have a great one. Bye, peace. I'm out.